What if you stopped trying everything and focused on the one path that fits you? Most people don't fail because they're lazy, they fail because they lack direction. They waste time trying one thing, then pivot to something else before they've even given the first thing time to work. The solution: my AI tool, the Online Business Pathfinder GPT. It helps you find the right path and map your next steps. It's a simple, fast way to find the perfect online business for you based on your interests and time frame. My free tool will help you choose the right type of business, and from there we'll map out your path, step by step. Once I had a blueprint, my work finally started paying off and my income grew. Instead of blindly trying different online tactics and getting nowhere, my GPT created a simple path for me to follow. No more dead ends. Just a smooth path to follow. You can use my Online Business Pathfinder too. It's free, easy to use, and will clarify the next steps to a successful online business. Grab your free guide from overworked to empowered. It includes the Pathfinder GPT. Link below. Stop chasing trends. Start building your path. The Marie Grove Method, a smarter, faster way to build your online business using AI.